was the year 1912. The largest ship in the world was crossing the Atlantic Ocean. More than 2,000 people were on board. They were traveling from England to America. The ship was called Titanic. Everyone believed it was the safest ship ever built. But something terrible was about to happen. It was almost midnight on April 14th. Most passengers were resting in their rooms. The crew members were working quietly. The ocean was calm and peaceful. Everything seemed normal. But high in the lookout tower, two men were watching the dark water ahead. They were searching for danger. Suddenly, one man saw something. A huge mountain of ice appeared in front of the ship. He rang the warning bell immediately. He shouted to the control room. The crew tried to turn the ship. But it was too late. The ice hit the side of Titanic. The ship began filling with water. Down below, in the passenger rooms, people did not know what was happening. Many were lying in their beds. Their eyes were closed. They were not awake. They were in a deep state of rest. Their minds were dreaming. Their bodies were still. This is what we call being asleep. The crew started waking people up. They knocked on doors. They told everyone to come up to the deck. Some passengers woke up quickly. Others took longer to wake. When you are asleep, you do not see or hear things around you. You are not aware of danger. This is why the crew had to work fast. People rushed to the top deck. They were confused and scared. Many were still wearing their night clothes. They had been sleeping just minutes before. Now they had to get into lifeboats. But there was a big problem. There were not enough lifeboats for everyone. Women and children got into the boats first. Men stayed behind. The ship was sinking deeper into the cold ocean. Some people who stayed on the ship would never wake up again. More than 1,500 people died that night. They went from being asleep in their beds to being gone forever. The word asleep comes from Old English. It means to be in a state of sleep. When you are asleep, your body rests. Your mind stops thinking about the world around you. You need sleep to stay healthy and strong. Every person must sleep every day. Today, we use this word in many ways. We say someone is asleep when they are sleeping. We say someone fell asleep when they started sleeping. We say someone is fast asleep when they are sleeping very deeply. We even say someone is asleep at the wheel when they are not paying attention to something important. The story of Titanic teaches us something important. Being asleep is natural and necessary. But there are times when we must stay awake and alert. We must pay attention to warnings. We must be ready to act when danger comes. Sometimes, being asleep at the wrong moment can change everything. Here at Wordscience, we believe every English word has a story. The word asleep reminds us of rest, safety, and also danger. It reminds us that life can change in a moment. So here is a question for you. When is it most important to stay awake in your life? Think about it. Share your answer in the comments below.